We're here on the Sugarlands Valley Nature Trail. So we're right here at the Sugarlands Valley Nature Trail, and we wanted to just showcase this trail because this is really kind of a really good option for somebody who has mobility issues. If you're in a wheelchair, this is a paved path. Some place in the park where you can really fully enjoy just being out in the quiet and the beauty of the Smokies without having to do these big epic trails. So this is definitely a really good option for that. Behind me is the parking lot. This is full of handicap spots, so that's really a huge plus. And right back down there is the Sugarlands Visitor Center, so it's very close to everything. Sarah also pointed out this is a great place for little kids if they want to just ride a scooter or something like that, or if you have little ones and you want to bring a stroller. So also another good option for that too.
You fish here year round.
Found several benches along the way too. And there's these really cool interpretive signs. Help you learn more about the park as you go.
It's gonna help reduce on a hot day.
So this trail really highlights just the peacefulness of the Smokies. Very calm, very chill, and beautiful. Birds singing, sun coming in through the trees, lush green, beautiful. So there used to be all kinds of cabins and homes and logging operations and stuff in the Smokies, and these rock walls were like dividing lines. You could kind of see remnants of the old life in the Smokies.
Wait a second.
There's a lot of them apparently.
That's more like it. There's the island we saw.
So whereas the first half of the trail is a loop, the first half of it is really just showcasing the beautiful forest, the fluttering butterflies, the buzzing bees, the singing birds, stuff like that. This is more focusing on the river and the flowing water that you get to walk beside.
I just think it's smart not to do that. Why don't we do that tomorrow? Then we could literally have one thing, right?
And if you want to go off the path too to get to the water, there's a few sections like this. You can go right up to the water, kind of walk on the rocks. Great place for little kids, hang out, see the water. It's really cool looking the way the sunlight's coming in, casting a shadow on this rock. Makes it look like a light flower or something. See, this kind of view right here is one of those iconic like Smoky Mountain views. Beautiful stream, mossy covered rocks, rounded boulders. As the water cascades around it, you see little tiny waterfalls. Really peaceful scene, really beautiful, very indicative of the Smoky Mountains. So remember how I said there's remnants of the old life here in the Smokies? This is a perfect example. Can't get any closer, obviously, but you want to preserve this kind of stuff. It's really pretty, really cool. Just gives echoes of the past, what was here in the Smokies at one point. But wait, there's more. Still plenty of benches, anywhere you need to sit down stuff or relax. And here is another chimney. Just nature reclaiming the land, taking it back from once was. This must have been built a long time ago too, because Sarah just pointed out there's this tree right here, and look how tall that is. So it either means that this was built a long time ago, or they had a tree in the middle of their house. All right, so we're finishing up this trail right now. I have to say, really beautiful, really peaceful, great paved path, handicap accessible, wheelchair, strollers, anything like that, little kids, really nice option for that. So I hope this video inspires you to get outside and adventure in the moment. Thanks for watching.